Hello everyone! Bonjour tout le monde! Ni mahao! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. My name is Victor and welcome to your plant lab. This is my update for you on March 22nd, 2021. These plants now has been growing for almost 1 year without any sunshine at all. So it's been growing under artificial lights, and this amount of orchids is just, I think, sufficient enough for you to see flowers for the whole year, every month in the year. Yeah. Look at this Noid Phalaenopsis I have, and it's been blooming for about almost 4 times now. But the peculiar habit about this Phalaenopsis is that the flowers keep on coming back on the same stem. Once the flower dies, the stem would elongate and form another set of buds, and it will make another flush of blooms. These are beautiful. Imagine this, yeah. This orchid is called the Uncastelli Kilauea karma, and these, according to some, are under the genus Oncidium, and its hybrids, and is usually called in layman's term the dancing lady orchids. If you can see, this orchid is a rebloomer, and it has been producing more flowers ever since. Look at that. It has a lot of flowers. And then the mother plant is over there at back. And mind you, this mother plant is creating a new stem. So I would imagine if these flowers were all gone, it will be replaced by another stem, which is a stunner. Nice, eh? This is a Noid Fell that has been growing with us for quite some time now. And this is a prolific bloomer. As you can see, there's a set of buds in the front, and there are some set of buds going the other way. And you can see here down there, there was a previous stem that was carrying blooms last month. This is the mother plant, and it's been growing very well with us. So you're gonna see there's another generous set of flowers. Enjoy. Now this is a spotted Phalaenopsis. It is a no ID as well, and it was purchased, I think, about 2.5 months ago, I think, and it was blooming. This is the previous stem, but now it has produced another set of flowers which are more vibrant in color, perhaps because of the presence of the artificial light that we have. And this is the mother plant. I think it's happy right now. And I'll just probably guess how long this set of blooms will gonna last for me this time. But I hope you're gonna enjoy this too. It's very nice. One of the wonderful files that I have is this Noid Phalaenopsis, and you're gonna see it's kind of fading right now. But you know what? This file has been growing for me for about almost 2 years now, and this has been a very prolific bloomer. Right now, you can see that the flowers are quite fading, but I don't believe that these flowers will gonna fade really soon. It might hold on for about a month or so, but yeah, you're gonna see this is quite a stunner. This is the mother plant, so you're gonna see there's two set of blooms in there, and it has been very reliable when it comes to blooming. I hope you're gonna enjoy this. One of the most recent introductions in this orchid collection is this mini phal. As you can see, there's a white flush right in the middle of the flower that makes it give a cheery appearance. And it has two stems, and the first stem has given off its flower. And this has been holding off on this other stem here. Hopefully when all has wilted, I may have another stem for the next month. The thing that I missed mentioning about this yellow Phalaenopsis is that when it was blooming at one point, this stem produced a keiki, which is a baby orchid plant. And that plant sent out roots, and I potted it separately and then grew it under the same artificial light. And guess what? Voila! It turned out to be a blooming baby. Look at this flower, it's magnificent. See this baby right over here? Now it's flowering at this stage, even on a young stage. Now let's talk about the continuity of these blossoms in this orchid collection. So these flowers can last for several months. However, as we all know, these flowers have their own lifespan. So it has to be replaced with a new one then. So if you would look down here, you will see this other plant producing a new set of flowers. And then beside it, if I would move this top leaf away, you're gonna see a new set of blooms coming out. And in fact, the old stems are also producing a new set of buds here. And if we move into another plant, then if I would move this leaf off, you're gonna see a new set of flowers there too. And on this plant, it's also producing a long stem that is a flower in the making. Apart from the pleasant news that these plants are giving off flowers for the next months to come, the Cattleya Group has something to tell as well. Look at the RLC Husky Boy Michael, and it's sending out a big sheath now. I'm hoping that this will gonna send out about 6 to 8 flowers to this time, and it was been very prolific. See the histories of all the bloomings that it had before? Yeah, look at that. So I hope that this will gonna produce more flowers, but you know, few flowers is fine for me. I'm happy with that. And behind this is a big Cattleya. It is called the RLC Taichung Beauty. It's on sheath right now. And this type of Cattleya can produce massive amounts of flowers, about 5 to 7 on a stem, and it is about like 8 inches across. It's a lavenderish, purplish flower with a dark magenta lip with some yellow spottings on it. That's a very attractive Cattleya. And the fact is, I kept some of the dried Cattleya flowers it had before, so you're gonna see how massive the flowers were. Yeah, these are so massive. See, these are the Taichung Beauty Cattleya blossoms. Yeah. So right in front here is the Toshi Aoki, RLC Toshi Aoki, crossed with the RLC Apricot Sunset or something like that. So it is in sheath right now. This is the first sheath it has produced. And the flowers are usually about 6 inches across, and it's an orange flower with some flares on the petals, and it has a red lip, a very vibrant red lip. So the rest of the Cattleya has no indications of flowering yet, but they're growing vigorously, and I'm gonna update you immediately once I find something different among these Cattleyas. These are these set of Cattleyas are very fast growing under artificial lights, and I would encourage you to set up a collection with Cattleyas. You're gonna be happy with it, especially the unifoliate ones. I'm so kind of confident saying this that the unifoliate Cattleyas may give you flowers under artificial lights. I'm still experimenting on some bifoliate Cattleyas like this, the Potinera Burana Beauty, and then I think the RLC cute lady sweet. I think it's an RLC cute ladies Christmas candy. Yeah, but I'm gonna let you know if there's any kind of success. And anyhow, I have another bifoliate collection here. It's called the RLC King of Taiwan. So it's one of the massive flowers. I think it will gonna be, it can produce about big flowers about 9 inches across. So we'll see. Cross our fingers. Now let's talk about plants that are growing under artificial lights that are non-orchids. And this is I think the string of pearls. It's related to the chrysanthemum, and I bought it at Golden Acres, which is not far from our place. And this has been growing profusely, so I would recommend growing these plant under artificial lights. Yeah. And here you'll see I'm trying on strawberries. This is I think this is the Ozark Beauty variety of strawberries. And it's growing vigorously. Hopefully that, when it grows fruits, I have no competition. There's no animals inside the house, so maybe I can benefit on the berries. Back of the collection, we're gonna see a snake plant, or what they call the Sansevieria. It's been growing very well under artificial lights as well. See that? It's a beauty. And a set of roses here. So I'm trying roses, and it's been growing successfully under artificial lights. So I know that roses demand a lot of water, especially when you're growing them inside the house. Under this kind of strong artificial lights, they would evaporate. I mean, the moisture in the pots will gonna evaporate really fast. So you need to catch up with that. Nice, eh? Mm-hmm. After all the updates, I think that'll gonna be all, folks. And I would like to express my appreciation of your interest in growing plants under lights and indoors. And I'm gonna post some more updates for you as time goes by. So if you can, please click on the subscribe button below, or click like if you would. And probably I'm gonna just say goodbye for now. A biento, salamat, at sa muli. Ciao.